Have you ever wondered why people behave differently across cultures? Culture shapes values and influences mental health profoundly. Understanding this connection is essential for social work and community support. Tradition plays a significant role in many societies. In collectivist cultures, tradition emphasizes respect for elders and gender roles. Traditions guide rites of passage like marriage and burial. Social workers may face challenges when traditions clash with modern laws. It's crucial to respect traditions while promoting human rights. Next, consider the impact of religious beliefs. In Zambia, over 95% of the population identifies as Christian. Religious views influence how people interpret illness and misfortune. For example, many attribute hardships to God's will or the influence of ancestral spirits. Coping strategies often involve prayer and community. Social workers must navigate these beliefs while providing evidence-based care. Now, let's explore social norms. These are the unwritten rules of behavior within a culture. Norms can dictate everything from greetings to personal space. For example, in some cultures, a handshake is common, while in others, bowing is preferred. Violating these norms can lead to shame or ostracism. Understanding these norms is vital for building trust with clients. However, some norms can be harmful, like corporal punishment. Social workers need to balance cultural respect with ethical responsibility. Engaging in community dialogue helps find this balance. Culture also deeply influences mental health. What is considered a mental health issue varies widely. Certain psychological syndromes are culturally specific. For instance, brain fag is recognized in West Africa, while ataque de nervios is known in Latin America. Social workers should familiarize themselves with local terminologies and idioms. Stigma surrounding mental illness can worsen these challenges. Many families hide affected members or see illness as a moral failing. Culturally tailored anti-stigma interventions can help address this issue. When seeking help, many prefer traditional healers or religious leaders. Mental health services are often viewed as a last resort. Social workers can connect clients with these resources. Collaboration is key to effective care. Finally, many cultures favor collective coping mechanisms. Instead of individualism, they focus on family support and community rituals. Social workers should facilitate these natural supports rather than replace them. The Cultural Formulation Interview in the DSM-5 is a valuable tool. It addresses cultural identity and perceptions of illness. Social workers can adapt these questions to enhance their assessments. In summary, culture plays a crucial role in shaping values, norms, and mental health. Understanding tradition, religious beliefs, and social norms is essential. Social workers can support clients better by respecting these cultural frameworks. If you found this information valuable, consider subscribing for more insights into cultural impacts on society. Your understanding can help bridge gaps and make a difference in people's lives.